Welcome to Aria's Fun TV. Hey guys, today welcome back to my channel. I got a really special guest here for you. It's just like a slime video, but it's not the same thing.
I'm Lucci, in like almost every video.
So today we're going to be making slime, and I'm pouring it in the pumpkins.
Yes.
So I don't know what we're going to be doing, but my mom carved up the pumpkin, and we have everything we need, even glitter.
And guess what? I carved out this whole pumpkin by myself.
And I took out the seeds and took out everything. And
I did everything for my pumpkin,
and I got these little like dye thingies to make the slime.
Food coloring.
Yeah, food coloring. But I think we can keep them every day to make some food coloring.
Now let's make the slime.
Yeah.
Okay, guys. So the next step for this huge bowl, which I got mine bigger than Aria's.
Yeah. I don't know.
Is the glue. So the main base of the slime to make it all sticky and slimy is all that glue.
Yeah.
And we want to have a lot so we can put it inside of our pumpkins.
Yeah. We need a lot of glue.
So it could even like come out of the mouth and stuff.
My mom got me spoons too.
We got some spoons.
Yep.
So?
Me spoons and I'm just gonna do that too.
I just scoop out all the
And
glue.
you saw I have nails, right? See, I have nails on right now. They can't really see that. That's fine though.
Okay, and
Yeah, I have a
done. Now that we put all of our glue in these big bowls, Aria can say the second step.
So the second step, we're gonna add our water. Let's go ahead and add our water.
And just
Done. Third step, Lucci is gonna say everything else. Well, I'm gonna say stuff too. So Lucci gonna say the stuff.
The third step is contact solution for some reason. Okay? To put it together to not make it sticky or something. I don't know.
Oh, then.
Okay? That's just a little bit. And now, fourth step, Aria, do your thing.
So now we're gonna be adding baking soda. And dump.
The fifth step is mixing. Mix it until it gets the slimy texture.
I'm gonna mix it like my mom. I'm the orange monster. Ha 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 ha. What did I do? Fine. It's so pretty.
Now, look at that.
Look at this. I love slime, guys. Did you know that?
Just go to mix.
There's a hair in my slime.
Okay.
Just mix.
Now look at this.
Whoa. Look at mine. Yours is like a bluish color now.
Mine is like a gray blue. Yours is orange.
Yep.
Because you mix way too much yellow with way too much red.
No. Okay, so we're going to put our slime into the pumpkin. Let's do it right now. Come on, Lucci. Pour it into the pumpkin.
At least I have a cover for my pumpkin, which I just dropped. Okay. So now take it. Now it's my turn. Oops. It's very slippery, so
the like button if you like mine better, and hit the subscribe button if you like Lucci's better.
Of course, you're all gonna subscribe. Of course.
Yes.
Anyway, bye.
Bye. I'm gonna play with my slime after that, right?
I'm not playing with my slime after the huge mess that I made.
Really?
Bye,
Guys,
guys.
I hope you like our channel. Subscribe to the notification button. Here, there, middle, anywhere. Bye.